Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we got a quick guess what's in the bag video, box video. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So it's just a quick guess what's in the bag video, box video. This item is, or the bag is, 10 1/4 inches wide by 14.5 inches long, and thickest portion is 7/8, nope, 1 inch, 1 inch, thick or deep. This item that's in this bag though is 5 inches wide, or 5 inches long by 9.5 inches wide, and like I said, it's an inch deep. You guys let me know what you guys think is in the bag. Did pick this up from Amazon. It is an electronic and or electrical and or diagnostic item. For things like multimeters. You could use it on your oscilloscopes, your digital multimeters, and or waveform generators, stuff like that. I'm trying to think in the back of my head. It's just not working out today. But you should be able to use this for quite a bit of stuff. Diag related for vehicles, stuff like that. You guys let me know what you think it is. Just a short little video here, guys. Next video will be us taking it out the package, talking about it. I do appreciate everybody that likes, comments, and subscribes, and as well as people that just watch. Unsubscribe button, or not unsubscribe button, but the people that click the unlike button. To me, it doesn't matter. I do appreciate everybody that stops by, checks out the channel, that leaves comments. I do appreciate the comments probably the most. But I want to say thank you to all of you guys, whether you are regulars of the channel or you just stopped by and found the channel on YouTube while you're looking through videos and stuff. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And if you guys don't want to look at this video, you guys can always just go straight to the just wait till tomorrow, and you guys will get to see the unboxing and everything. If you don't want to look at the guess what's in the box videos, it's always an option for you guys. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.